guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. My baby's here, my princess is here. I miss you. I miss you so much, girlfriend. How are you? Are you good? Did you miss me?
Yes.
It was only 2 days, but you missed me, girl. You know you missed me. But you had a good time with grandma, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah. You had a good time with grandma?
Yes, I had fun.
You had fun?
Yes.
Is that so?
I only won.
You ran around? You ran around your grandma's house because your grandma and grandpa's house is huge. So you know that you have enough space to run around.
Yes.
My darling girl. Mimi, my heart. But guys, we just got to the salon. Tomorrow is a school day. Tomorrow is Monday. And she needs to get her hair done. Mama, come. Let them see your hair.
Okay.
So like, she still has her hair like this.
Long.
It's too long. Well, she needs to loosen her hair, wash it, and make it again for school tomorrow. So I've not even rested since I got into my vicinity. I just went straight to my parents' house, picked her up, all her stuff. I'm bringing her right now to the salon to get her hair done. So yeah, that's that, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. I've missed you guys a little bit. I've missed you guys. So yeah, guys, let's go in. Let Mia go and make her hair. For me, I have to go in and start editing because I didn't really have time during this vacation to do much editing. I was more like creating content with the crew and all of that, so it was a whole lot. But I'm hoping that while she's getting her hair done, I can be working. Yeah, guys, so Mimi, are you ready to get your hair done?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Yes! Alright guys, let's go in.
Strangers When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. We're like strangers again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I just got to Julieta hair collection. I brought my hairs, well, some of my hairs, to revamp and stuff. Hold on guys, my music that is playing in the background, I don't want copyright wahala. So yeah, I came to drop my hairs for revamp, and from here I'm going to be going to a store where I'm going to get a dress for my birthday shoot. Yes, my birthday is literally in about 4 days today. Yeah, 4 days today. I don't know why every single year when my birthday is around the corner, I don't get excited as much until like the week of my birthday. That's when I start getting things done. I didn't even know if I wanted to do anything for this birthday. I didn't know Jack. Even shoot safe, I was saying I won't even do shoot. But when you have a husband that cares so much about your brand, that cares so much about you as a brand, and also happens to be a photographer, you know that every single year you must do birthday shoots. He even knows the concept, everything, he has it in his head. So in my head, I'm just like, okay, no problem, sir. I will do shoots, no wahala. So I'm going to the store where I would rent a dress, and I'm going there from here. Let me drop off these hairs first and then start going. I initially wanted to have a birthday picnic, but the weather in Abuja has not been the best. We are in core rainy season here in Abuja right now, so I don't want to organize a picnic, spend money, organize a picnic, and rain spoils it that day. So I decided I was going to do a birthday brunch instead. Yay! With my girls. Not much, to be honest. I'm not hosting many people. I'm only hosting about 12 people, and I'm good. I just want to mark my birthday. I think that by the time this video is going up, I would have put it out already on my community tab. In fact, maybe even the birthday has passed by now, safe. So I'm going to be hosting one of you. I think I put it on my community asking you if you're in Abuja and you want to be at my birthday brunch with me. Indicate interest in the comments and I'll pick just one person. So I'm sure by the time this vlog is going up, probably that has happened, the brunch has happened and all of that. But yeah, I really want to have one of you with me on my birthday, and that'll be very exciting. I'm very excited for that. So anyway, let me get going into the salon to drop my hairs, and I'm also thinking that Julieta might style my hair for my birthday shoots tomorrow and next. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Let's go. Hi, my Julieta of Julieta Hair Collection. Yes, so
this would actually be perfect because
nice.
Do it. If you do it,
You can comb it and then it's so okay. This is my color. Oh God, you know me now. This is my color, so pretty and so soft. I know, it's so nice. This color is beautiful. You guys know now, my hairs from Julieta always pop. I'm obsessed till today. That's my straight hair. I brought it for revamping, by the way, because I've rocked the life out of that hair. That hair. Once you just wear it and comb it, finish. You guys know that Julieta's hair is always pop. Like, look at the bounce on this. Beautiful. When I'm ready to come and buy bone straights, it's here I'll come and buy from. So I know I don't have like long bone straights. Morning guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today has been very trying. All right, so I'm supposed to have my birthday shoot today. Well, I'm having my birthday shoot today, but it has been such a trying morning, from the makeup artists bailing out to the hairstylist not available. See guys, this is why I didn't feel like doing a birthday shoot this year, because I need have power. I don't get strength, I don't get power. All right, but hubby is insisting, and I don't want to throw away all of the effort that he has made to make this shoot happen today. So I am back at Julieta's place today to install my hair, get it laid, get it styled and all of that. I still don't have a makeup artist. I may be doing my makeup by myself, or if I can find a makeup artist before I'm done styling my hair, that would happen. If not, I'll do it myself, because you guys know, if you guys are wondering, this finger, I injured myself. Like guys, I was trying to get a cup for Mia Rose 2 nights ago or so, and the lights went off. They turned off the generator to top fuel, and when the lights went off, I didn't see what I was doing, and I just put my finger like straight to the rack. So like the metal, see, let me spare you the gory details, okay? But the metal in the rack just went into the nail straight and uprooted the nail. Okay, thankfully my natural nail was not damaged. Like, none of my natural nails came off, as you can see, but obviously I got injured, and my nails are like, you guys, I've been carrying these nails for like almost a month now. I may or may not get them done. It depends on time. I don't have that much time today, so I may or may not. in the birthday shoot, I have to just find a way to hide this finger somehow, but we shall see. Anyway, let me go and get my hair laid and styled, and I'll figure out what to do about makeup when I'm done. All right, let's go.
show ya. Wish me to call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have him all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard to be here. Cause I've been.
And even though I have lashes on, you can see that I've lost a lot of strands. I'm still going to put lashes.
Golden copper, get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
This birthday shoot is bigger than me. I even another cat there. Hey, God. I was so sure this show was not going to hold today because today everything was just against me today. All the odds. This was a very long drive, guys. This was the longest drive of my life, Eniola. All for these shoots. I don't tire already. Hi. I don't tire already. Oh. On top of these birthday shoots. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. The only Eniola Michael. The only videographer of life. Yes. See gadgets now.
Only for one person.
As only for me. Oh. Hey, God. Oh. If this picture no fine, eh? Hey, Jesus. Jesus.
Justin.
You guys.
Justin.
Oh my God. Do you know that it's Jesse that's making me do these shoots? You know him, he likes all these extra things. So me, I don't care for all these extra things. It's just
so that to come out nice.
The lungu where we come because of photo shoot. All that dress.
In fact, I'm sure if we get there, we might see some guys.
Hi, the whole team. It takes a village. It takes a whole village or more guys. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Wait, I beg. I beg. This is what they call behind the scenes. Let her sit here. Honestly, let her sit here because I'm tired.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
You people should go and like my picture on Instagram. Oh. Hey, God. See how the behind the scenes. See the whole village is taking to do this. Jesse. Jesse, I will not forgive you. Is this what celebrities go through when they are doing all these mad shoots?
I
don't want to be a celeb. Oh, if this is going to be. Content creators, if people are trying, we are really trying. No.
And they will not see it, just only fire.
They will just see the fire. Hey, mad, oh, nice concept. They will not even know. I know. I love it. Look at the view. Woo! Ah, man, I love it. Look at this view. Oh, so beautiful. It is so beautiful. See that? It's gorgeous. My husband, when he wants to do something, there is nothing I can tell him. I can never ever talk him out of it. Even today I was saying I'm cancelling these shoots. He said nope. Nope, it's going to happen. It takes a whole village.
Is that the 24 to 105? Yeah. Wow.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you.
Anybody? It's a wrap. It's a wrap. And we got some the video, the
Wait for
pictures.
it.
You guys, they would have already seen it safe
Abby.
by the time this vlog is going on. Hey!
Hi guys.
So, for this one, where should they go down? Sweet. Very nice.
As in
I'm telling you.
Hi guys, we just killed it. Yes, so just killed it.
Somewhere.
Had fun.
I had fun too.
Oh.
You guys are real vibes now. You guys are real sure vibes.
Vibes on vibes.
Vibes on vibes.
Now you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Unknown Lens.
If you feel the things I do, I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you.
Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. My birthday shoot was 2 days ago, and guys, see, that day came with so much hassle. Like, I almost cancelled that shoot last minute. So many things were not going the way I wanted. At some point, I didn't have a makeup artist. At some point, I wasn't sure of my hairstylist. But in the end, everything came together nicely. The shoot was a success. But by the time this vlog has gone up, obviously you guys would have probably seen that on Instagram, the video and the photos, and I'm sure they are amazing because I had such an amazing team of people. My husband for photography and Yola for videography. Like, it took a whole village, but it was worth it in the end. I didn't want to do that shoot. Like, see, this year I was not in the mood to do nothing for this birthday. But when you have a husband that is a photographer and you are his muse, there's no way you cannot do birthday shoot. You must do it. Yeah, anyway, I'm glad that I eventually did it. But that day on our way home, Hubby was driving his car and I was driving my own car because we left home at different times. We couldn't use one car. That's how I had such a great day, even though I was not sure of how my day began. But with how the shoot went and everything, my day went well. I was happy. See me happy like this, and then one human being that I don't know who sent him to me bashed my car. Yes, bashed my car. I was on my lane, jeje. I was on my lane, jejely on my lane. They came to come and find my trouble. He wanted to enter my lane by all means, and even when I was coming and I was honking and I couldn't move to the right because there was a car on the right. Look, guys, this guy bashed me. Long and short is that he bashed me, right? Scratched my side of the car, or the driver's side, plus the back door. Like, funny thing was that he was now claiming rights. That's even the funny thing. He was claiming rights. He was even saying, "Clear, park well, madam, park well." I said, this guy, it's like you want to see madness this night. It's like madness is worrying you. And luckily I had somebody in the car with me, a female photographer that was part of the team. She was in my car. I was going to drop her off first at her studio, you know, and she saw everything that happened. This guy literally wanted to intimidate me because I was a woman and because we're just ladies, two ladies. He wanted to intimidate me. Like, he literally wanted to intimidate me. He was saying a different thing from what even happened. I was like, see, I was going to leave this guy, like, because at that point I was tired, I was exhausted. I was literally going to leave him. I saw the scratches on my car. I was not in the mood. I had just literally done body work on that car in May. But in my head, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to let this guy go because I'm tired and I cannot deal with this right now. But the manner of approach the guy is brought towards me, I was like, you say what, sir? I just carried phone and called my husband. I told him, they bashed my car. They bashed my car, sir. He said, where? I told him where. He said, okay, that he's exactly on that road. He should just wait there. I hope the guy has not gone. He said, no, he has not gone. He's still there. My hubby now came and met us there. Mainly, he saw husband. I don't know what it is with men in Nigeria and women on the road. They feel like they can't talk to you, or they feel like they can intimidate you. But when you are with a man, or maybe like your husband or something, when my husband now arrived and got down with his black t-shirt and jeans and face cap and his plenty beer, hey God, the guy became humble. The next thing the guy say, madam, let me see you. I said, don't see me, oh, don't see me, please go and meet my husband. See my husband, don't meet me. I can't talk to you, please go and meet him. And my husband gave him a hard time. Like, my husband was like, what do you mean? You know, my husband really gave him a hard time, but we knew we were going to let him go in the end. We just wanted to just shake him up a little bit, because you don't do that. You were clearly at fault. A crowd had formed by this time, and you know, at the end of the day, the crowd now started begging me and my husband. I'm just like, people did not see when he was trying to intimidate me, when he was trying to talk down on me, you know. Anyway, long and short of everything was that we let him go eventually, because last we took a look at the guy. We're just like, if we thought this guy to give us money to fix his car now, he will not fix it, and that's why he was begging. So we just let him go, and my husband was like, you know what, don't worry, we'll fix the car, don't worry about it. It's not as bad as you think it is. They can fix it. The scratches can be cleaned off, and then the dent can just be panel beaten just a little bit. It's not like major work, and they have to like respray the whole part of that side. Literally had to respray it. Anyway, guys, that happened, and the following day I was able to get it done. When my mechanic saw, he was like, madam, what again happened? I said, this is not what again happened though. Every time somebody hits me, this is like the second time I'm being hit. The last time, so I was on my own. Somebody was trying to switch lane from my back and hit me in the process. On my own, no. So, you know, but anyway, it is what it is. My mom has always taught me to always be thankful, because it could have been worse. What if he hit me from the back and my car somersaulted or something, God forbid, you know? So it could have been worse. You know, it was scratches, and you know, my car is a silver color, so once it has a scratch or a dent, it's very obvious. But thankfully, by the grace of God, I've been able to fix it, and you know, it's back to normal and everything. But that was how that day ended. It's not like I went home and I was lounging or something. That was how that day ended. After that one happened, I was in traffic for like 2 hours to get to my house. Like, I don't even know what's happening in this area. I was in traffic for 2 hours, guys, to get home. Crazy stuff. But yeah, that was how that day went. Just thought to update you guys. Also, I want to say thank you so much for all the love. Oh my God, all the love I got on my I'm tired of being a YouTuber video. To be honest, when I made that video, all I wanted was a bit of encouragement. That's all I wanted. Just a tiny little bit of encouragement and suggestions on how I can grow my channel. Finish. That's all I wanted. For every single person who left an encouraging comment and who left meaningful suggestions on how I can grow my channel and you know, all of that, I'm so thankful for you. Like, you have absolutely no idea. I'm so thankful for you. You guys made my week. Gosh, like, there was so much encouragement, and I'm so happy I came out to do that video. I did see 1 or 2 negative comments and 1 or 2 negative things around, and all I can say is that's the reason why people don't come out and make videos when they are vulnerable. That's why people prefer to stay in their lane. That's why people don't come out to make, you know, certain kind of videos or to show any kind of vulnerability, because there are people who are just waiting to pounce on it. There are people who are waiting to just finally have something to say, you know, when you give them just a small opportunity to say it. And to be honest, that's why so many YouTubers, so many content creators don't come out to show you when they are worried about something or talk to you. I mean, if I cannot talk to my YouTube family, who else will I talk to about the YouTube? Do you get my point? You know, so I'm not going to delve into that a lot. That's not what this video is about. I'm not going to talk about it much, but just to say thank you again so much. That video really helps. The comments really helped me, and I'm putting the suggestions to work. By the grace of God, I'm doing my best. So yeah, that's it, guys. Anyway, just thought to use that to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. My next vlog obviously might be my birthday vlog, so look out for that. It's going to be fun. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.
I saw you from across the room.